everybody, it's Cal Lady, and I'm back with another Disneyland Paris layout. So I have these 3 photos of a restaurant that we were at, and then Casa de Coco, which is Mexican, and then a picture of me sipping mulled wine, because we did that on a fairly regular basis to the right. And then in the middle there is pain de chocolat, which is a delicious pastry with coffee. And we're eating, our cups are set on a trash can, which is kind of a Disney thing. So that's what this is all about. So I'm going to mount those 3 photos, and you see that on that blue paper, which is the Echo Park Wish Upon a Star 3x4 journaling card paper. And then that's on a background of the dotted paper, polka dot paper, which is Cartabella, Believe in Magic, the multi-journaling cards. And this whole layout started when I saw these photos and I saw that die cut that says, "I'm really only here for the food." And that is from the Echo Park Wish Upon a Star 2 ephemera pack. And that is, you know, kind of a thing is, not that Disney always has the best food, but there's iconic things often in the parks that people want to eat. And so that's part of what was going on here, is it's some iconic things in the park. And I wanted to get that included. And we were there in January, so you can tell we're in winter coats and hats and stuff like that. So we drank a lot of hot beverages as well, between coffee, hot chocolate, and mulled wine. So I wanted to make sure that that photo on the right was really represented in this, in the book, when the book is done. So I'm really liking the Here for the Food die cut. I'm okay with that plaid bow die cut. And I'm kind of looking through other things. This is a Doodlebug collection pack that I have here. And I'm just kind of trying to see, and I'm not finding anything that I'm loving there. I did find that, or not Doodlebug, it was more of that Echo Park Wish Upon a Star too, sorry. I found that food arrow, and I really liked the idea of that. So, because that's what this layout is all about. So I'm just trying to figure out, like, what can I use to ground that part of the cluster. And as you can see, I've pulled... I do this frequently. Just watch always the right hand side of my mat there, and I'm a little far to the left this time, but I usually put stickers that I'm thinking about using so I don't forget them, especially if I have a lot of them. So I found that little small coffee cup there, and that is from the Doodlebug Fun at the Park mini icon stickers. And I'm sorry, that's where that food arrow is from the Doodlebug Fun at the Park Chit Chat, which is the die cuts. So it's not from the Echo Park collection. And then that small heart there that I've got on here is from, actually those are die cuts, sorry. Those are not stickers. That red one is a Doodlebug Fun at the Park Chit Chat piece. So this has been a while since I've done this layout as I'm voicing this over, and I'm playing around again. So now I found that journaling piece, and I'm playing with that large coffee sticker, which is the Echo Park Magical Adventure 2 element stickers, and I'm kind of playing with this. I like it better. I wanted something a little bit more neutral because that food die cut has so much going on, but I also wanted a bigger journaling card because I wanted to be able to write some of the things about what we were eating. I believe I did another page about the winter booths that they have at Disney already, but this is like kind of a second food page. And I didn't talk a lot about what we ate in that restaurant, but you know, when I think about it, it brings back the memory of what it was like. We were very smart. You can mobile order at Disney if you use your app. So there's a little clue if you haven't gone and you're thinking about that. Both Disney World for sure, I'm guessing, well, Disneyland does this, and then Disneyland Paris for sure, you can mobile app order on your mobile app, and that we like bypassed a huge line, and people were staring at us because they thought like we were jumping the line. Well, we weren't. Our order was actually ready. So anyway, that yellow heart also came from that Doodlebug Fun at the Park. Fun at the Park chit chat. Thank you. Oh, goodness. It's one of those days, I guess. Okay. And then what I did there also is I added in some twine, and that came from the Paper Studio from Hobby Lobby. Now I'm just adding a couple small little things here. These, I'm looking at maybe tiny hearts here, which came from the Doodlebug Fun at the Park's mini icon stickers. That's where that little coffee cup came from as well. And I think I've got a blue heart at the top. I'm eventually going to change out this red heart. I don't think it's big enough. So then I found, I really like that sticker from, and that's from the icons there. And I added one of the Doodlebug hearts behind it. So there you go. Here's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. I hope everybody's well, and I will be back with another layout soon. Bye, everybody.